And joining us, as he does each month, is District Attorney Scott Reilly, representing Catawba, Burke, and Caldwell counties. That's the 36th Prosecutorial District. So good to see you once again.
Thank you for having me.
I can't believe we're already in the middle of May, and a lot of things commemorated this month, including we are honoring police this week.
Right. It's National Police Week, and May 15th is the actual Peace Officers Memorial Day. We've had that since 1962, and President Kennedy proclaimed May 15th to be that particular day. It's when we recognize all the law enforcement officers, the brave men and women who have made the ultimate sacrifice and laid down their lives to protect and to serve us. So we use this week to try to thank a police officer for all that they do for us and remember them. This year we're also remembering Alden Elliott, the police officer from Catawba County that was killed in the line of duty last year down in Mecklenburg County. We had the Fraternal Order of Police had a nice ceremony at Woodlawn Cemetery, as they do every year, to recognize all the law enforcement officers who have died during the preceding year, and Alden Elliott was one of them, unfortunately.
And Mr. Elliott went to school right here in Catawba County and graduated, I believe, from Newton Conover. So certainly he is missed, and I think it's so appropriate to honor him and all the officers.
Exactly.
What else do we have going on? You have a lot of information this week and some good things going on.
Right. We had another Veterans Treatment Court graduation. 5 people went through the program and graduated our 2-year program, 18 to 2-year program. We were fortunate enough to have Speaker of the House Destin Hall was our featured speaker. So we've had some heavy hitters as our graduation speakers. You know, we had Pat Harrigan, the U.S. Congressman, last time, Destin Hall this time. The reason we picked Destin Hall is because he is so supportive of the military and our veterans. It's his goal to make North Carolina the most military-friendly state in the Union, and he gave an excellent speech. And I always tell him, I said, no disrespect to Destin Hall, but the best speeches were from our own graduates who all speak at the graduation and talk about the transformation from when they were first put into the program, maybe in jail, maybe not doing very well, hit rock bottom, and to see them at our graduation with their families supporting them and all that they've accomplished and being productive members of the community again is just overwhelming and very powerful, very emotional.
It's a great ceremony, and it speaks to how far that program has come. I still remember just a few years ago, you and I were talking about the inaugural, I guess, group of people that were going through that program.
Right, we had an opening ceremony with the Chief Justice Paul Newby, and how far we've come since then. Like I said, this was our 6th graduation.
That's hard to believe. Time flies, doesn't it?
Oh, yes, it does.
And it's great to see that being a successful program at this point. Thank you so much. A lot of good information, some really good news too, and we look forward to talking to you. I can't believe we'll be about halfway through the year when we get together next time.
Can't believe it, but thank you very much for having me.
Scott Reilly, the District Attorney, with lots of good information. He represents Catawba, Burke, and Caldwell counties, and he joins us each month here on WHKY News.